The moment you buy a stock, your brain quietly switches sides from judge to defense attorney. Psychologists call it confirmation bias. Once you hold a belief, your brain starts hunting for proof it's right and quietly filters out anything that says otherwise. Picture 10 headlines about a stock you already own. 9 that agree with you feel like proof. The one that doesn't gets read as noise or doesn't get read at all. Here's the split screen playing in your head, the story you're telling yourself, against the story the market is actually telling you. Say that stock falls for 6 straight months. The price keeps dropping, and the story in your head barely moves. In this example, the filtering has a real cost. Months spent holding a falling stock, waiting for headlines that keep not showing up. The fix isn't more research. It's research that's actually allowed to prove you wrong. Your brain isn't broken. It's just doing its job as a defense attorney, which means you have to be the judge it refuses to be. So the next time a stock you own drops and you feel the pull to explain it away, that's not analysis, that's confirmation bias, doing exactly what it's built to do.